If you have back pain, you are not alone. 4 out of 5 people in the United States, they are going to experience back pain in their lifetime, me included. So the problem is not that you are going to have back pain or you are already suffering with back pain. Now what you do about it, it is going to determine the rest of your life. Would you believe if I tell you that you are a woman and you are having back pain, but it has nothing to do with your back? It is shocking, I guess, because you say, well, my back hurts. But how come he says I have no back pain? Let me show you. Back actually starts and stops somewhere around here. If you have noticed, all your pain happens down here. It is usually right here. And also, if you sit too long, stand too long, or you drive, it bothers you. It bothers you a lot. Sometimes you are okay, you are sitting down, once you get up, you cannot even take a step. It bothers you so much. The reason all this thing I'm telling you, the problem is not the back, your problem is right here. It is the pelvis. Yes, back pain can happen elsewhere even though you are a woman. But that thing happens when there is a trauma. But usually by default, if a female or a woman have a back pain, it's because of the pelvis. That is the reason. This is the reason if you touch by side of your leg like this, you could be very tender. And if you look at this side also, you could be very tender. Depending how long your back pain is, if your back pain is more than 5, 10, 20 years, you might be having another thing, which we call as incontinent issues. And you say, what that has to do with my back pain? It has everything to do with your back pain. You might say, well, I don't have incontinence issues, but now I'm going to force you to think a little bit. Now you think about this. Before you are busy, you don't have to go to bathroom and you can wait. But now if you have to go, you have to go. That is the beginning of the incontinence issue. Now see how many things are going on. You are focusing on back pain, but then you have incontinence issue. Maybe you are not only have a typical back pain, you might have hip pain. Maybe you have knee pain. So as a woman, you are not small man because the female body is completely different than male body. So if we treat everybody as the same way, we are wrong 100% of the time. Here at Synergy Therapy Group, we just separate. We do not treat men and women the same way because women, it gets very complicated to treat it. And in fact, in women, any kind of medication, injection or surgery, that does not work at all.